Hi guys, I've just made a video up in the woodland around my Solognac wood burning stove and a Trangia burner, and I thought while I'm up here I'll have a little play with another video. This is a very strange one. There's lots of videos out there about starting fires, and I've been told that one of the best woods you can use are old beehive frames, because they get impregnated with wax and things that make them burn really well. So we're just going to have a play. We're going to see if we can get one of these to start with a fire striker, and see whether the old wife's tale about old bee frame wood being a good source or of fire starter, or even a replacement for fat wood. We are lucky enough to have hives on our land, so we should have quite a good supply of this stuff. So let's crack on and see whether you can actually use these to easily, I stress that, light a fire. Okay, I'll just remove the camera so you can get a good look at what I'm doing, and we'll crack on. So guys, we're going to have a go at doing this with nothing more than the trusty old Swiss Army knife, a striker, and a bit of beehive frame that I said. So I suppose the best thing to do, get a few light shavings from this using the Swiss Army knife. That's what I'll try and do. I'll get some from up here where there's loads of wax. I'm trying to get them as fine as I can so they'll take the spark. There is plenty of wax on these ones. To be honest with you, the knife could do with a bit of a sharpen. So we're starting to get some good feathers and some good shavings going down there. So we've got a reasonably sized bundle there. Let's try and get a few more. So there we go. We've got a reasonable sized bundle there. So now for the moment of truth. Let's see how well this will take a spark. I would call that a fail. Just if you bear with me just 1 second. Just as a comparison, we've got some wood wool here. You guys will be familiar with this, natural fire lighters. So we'll just break that up. I won't use all of it because I don't want to start a big fire on top of this log. And let's see how well that strikes now. Well, folks, I guess I need to brush up on my fire lighting skills because even that won't go. So, the question arises, is it my fire lighting skills or is it the wood wool? And just to check that this stuff does burn, so as you can see, it's not the material. So guys, I don't like being beaten, so what I've done off camera, I've been and got a sharper knife and I've made another attempt at making some feathers to try and ignite, and we'll give this another go. And finally we have flames. It took a lot more than I would have liked, but yes, it will burn. But in my honest opinion, it's no better than just finding some dry wood. I don't think the fact that it's been in a beehive and it had got a coating of wax on it, there's no doubt about that. I can actually feel it now. As a matter of fact, I can flake some on it off into the fire, but no, it's no better than using any old dry wood you find kicking about if you can make decent feathers. So there we have it, folks. I'll just move the camera and we'll have a bit of a chat about that. So guys, the old wives' tale that I was told around beehive frames being as good as fat wood, no, not in my opinion. I've had a lot more success with fat wood and a flint and steel than I had with a beehive frame wood, and it was an old frame. It was highly impregnated with wax. I genuinely thought this was going to work, but no, sorry, it's I'll be sticking to the old fat wood in future. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Not the most interesting video, but if you did like it, please hit that like button or subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. And if this isn't the definition of dabbling, I don't know what is. So keep on dabbling, guys. See you in the next one.